Hi. I look crazy like I always do at the beginning of every video. I have not done makeup or hair yet. Anyways, I picked my outfit. Yeah. Every time I pull out, I told you every time I pull out, somebody comes out of nowhere. I'm going to look for a white shirt to go under my vest because I've been needing one. I literally only have $10, so if I don't find a shirt under $10, then it's not gonna happen. This is the finished makeup and hair. I didn't feel like doing any like thing to my hair, so I just kind of like put it in a ponytail in the back. I'm gonna be stuck here for a while. I don't know why one eye looks like longer than the other one. Do you see that? I think it's the angle I'm holding this at. And my nose looks really funny right now. I'm gonna be stuck here for a while. So. Every time. Why am I sitting like this? I went and got my shirt with my last $10. It's a white shirt so I can wear it under my vest. It had a print on it, but I'm gonna wear it under my vest, so you're not gonna be able to see the print anyway. I saw this jacket and I had to get this jacket because it matches my skirt. Like, this is the perfect color. This jacket is perfect. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall like it always does. That's the shirt. But I'm not gonna wear it like this. The vest doesn't cover up the print or whatever that I seen. I think they said I can take it back within 7 days. Dang. So honestly, I'm probably just going to wear I'm probably gonna wear the collar over it. So this isn't going to matter. I think that'll cover that. Yeah. This is not how it goes, but yeah, that's fine. Thank God it's not too small, because a lot of the times what will happen with large is the arms will be too short. This is the exact same green that's in my skirt, so it's gonna be perfect. Yay! You said it in a funny accent.
No,
it just sounded like
for star, and I said it was supposed to be some good fish. That's what I said. And got like, what the fish car?
I sure was gonna record yesterday. I was like, I'll just finish the vlog when my package comes, so I can show y'all like an unboxing or whatever. But freaking, the package never came. Fish car. Oh, that's a real ass fish. For real? See?
But I'm saying, why would I say fish car if I was eating salmon?
I don't know. So, I mean, like, I'm not gonna say it was supposed to, but I expected it to come a little earlier because it like shipped out. Yeah, it's probably not gonna come until Monday, and it's Saturday now, so I can't wait forever for this thing because I have to have something to post.
Oh my god. Oh, I thought you had it. Oh wait.
I don't want my knees to touch that nasty ground.
No, you don't want to get to that.
You know I can't talk with these in, bruh. So the box came. This box is big. Why did my lights turn off? I can't do it. I can't do it. Anyways, since they decided to be so rude, yeah, the box finally came, so now I can do my unboxing. It's Monday, like I predicted it would come. I can't ever open these. They always send them in these boxes where like the top part right here is sealed and I can't ever open it. Usually I use like a key, but like I don't have my key right now. No, I can't rip it. Oh my god. Oh, I ripped it. Are you seeing this right now? I think I opened it. Oh shoot, I might not have opened it. Ow! I just hit myself in the face. It's open. It's open. I opened the package. First thing we see are pants. And we have our nice little sweater. Oh! Oh, this is a top. And this. I think this is a skirt. This is a top. This is cute. Look at the little bunny on the front. We got another top. I'm gonna tell you, these were what I was most excited for, even though they're probably like, that's stupid. I mean, it probably is stupid that these are what I was most excited for. Please don't rip. I'm gonna rip them apart. We got doggy slippers. They have these little really cute bunny slippers too. And the bunny ear slippers were gonna ship for like 2 weeks, so I couldn't get them. But I could get the puppy ones. These are cute. They had white ones too. So these are like my exact size. So I feel like I should have sized up. I think I would have liked them to be a bit bigger than my literal foot size, but you know, that's okay. I'll show you guys when I try on the clothes. I don't know if I'm gonna do that right now. Oh, I just dropped the box on the bed. Shoot, almost fell off the bed. You're gonna watch me try this juice that I bought. It's like white cran strawberry. I don't know if I trust it, but you know, it's actually way better than I expected it to be. So that's good. You guys should try this. Kind of tastes like a strawberry ring pop, kinda, a little bit. So yeah, if you like that type of stuff, you should try this juice. And I got this cup from Family Dollar, I think. So yeah, they also have elephant ones sometimes, but I guess it just depends on when you go. The last bag that I got like this was from AliExpress. So this one's from YesStyles, obviously. It's cute. I feel like the sewing on the AliExpress one was a lot better, you know. But it's just a bag, so I guess it'll be alright. It's sewn on the inside pretty good, so that's the part that actually matters. There's 2 pockets in here. The AliExpress one has 3, I think. I'm gonna see if my laptop fits in here. That's gonna be the selling point, which it probably won't fit. It doesn't fit in the AliExpress one either. I'll see. Anyway, here's the beloved laptop that my school gave me, that I probably paid for in my scholarship. This is kind of heavy. Oh God, this is heavy. It doesn't look as heavy as it is. Oh my God, it actually fits in here. No way. Bro, that's perfect. Bruh. I'm actually so happy. So yeah, I'll probably use that for school, even though it might literally break this, but if it breaks, then I guess I'll tell y'all. If y'all wanna know what laptop I have the I don't know, it was like the MacBook Pro that came out in 2019, the one with like the touch bar. I don't know what model that was. Wow, I'm really happy that I bought this, because that's what I bought the last one for, to hold my laptop but it was like an inch too small. It sucks. First I'm gonna try on this one. Very basic sweater over here. This is like the style that I wanted to dress in high school, but like I didn't know what it was called. I remember I spent so long looking for this aesthetic and I could not find it. Somebody's calling me. I'm gonna answer and be disappointed. That was so sus. One of those like robo numbers called me and it said press 1 to be connected with the person, and it usually says press 2 to like be put on the do not call list. So I pressed 2 and then a man answered, so I didn't like that. This is a really nice sweater. This is gonna look good with my pearl necklace, like the one with the heart on it. This is gonna look great with that one. Wow. And my brown skirt. Oh, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. This is gonna be the perfect fit. This is cute. This is gonna be cute when I put on makeup. Oh, there's a fuzz in my hair now. Okay, next top. I think I would do this one. I think I tried to get a top like this once before and it was too big. I think I tried to get one from like Runway once and it was too big. Just to kind of have to tie yourself. I'm gonna just tie them right now. Cause I don't like the way it's just like snipped off like that. That might not bother some of y'all, but that little piece right there bothers me. So I'm gonna cut it soon. I like wearing big tops to hide these. Alright. This is cute. It is not tied yet. This looks like another one I'm gonna have to lace up. It's probably gonna look the exact same as this one. I don't really feel like lacing it up, but I'm gonna have to. So I might just show you what this one looks like when I put on the pants, because I'm just too lazy. The bunny top. This one is very cute. It's a little bunny. He's holding flowers. Oh shoot, it has text on it. And I didn't read it. It says, eat me please. Bye, bye. I mean, nobody's gonna be able to read it. I did not know that text was on there. Like, when I looked at it on the like site, it looked like this. That's what it looked like. But now that I'm looking at it up close, you can see the text. I'm just gonna try it on over this. It's cute. This crop top style beat. Again, oh. It will be cuter when I'm in an outfit, in makeup or whatever, but it's definitely a cute top. Eat me please. I don't think anybody's gonna be able to see that unless they're like this close to me. I had to put my bum shirt back on, so I'm gonna do my do for a little while, and I'll probably have to go to class or something, and then I will come back to this. But yeah, I put on the shirt and the pants, and it's actually not bad. Look. Oh, you can't see it because I'm short. Look. This is me at the wall. They're literally at my ankles, but I don't know, I've never had a pair of like big pants before. These stupid people are calling me again. Now maybe you can see my feet. I have to repeat everything I just said because I thought it was recording. They're basic, but they're cute. I might wear this today. I'll show you the skirt too later because the skirt is kind of lame. Like, I feel like this is like the first thing I've gotten from this site that was like not it, because like it is my throat. Anyway, it is kind of like cheapy on the inside. Like, it's the sewing on the inside's kind of like itchy, and then it's like, I don't know, there's like threads coming out of it, and like the zipper's cheap, so that's probably gonna break soon, like the wish skirt. But yeah, I guess I got what I paid for, or technically I didn't pay for it, so I mean, I got what I would have paid for. This is real. This is me. I was supposed to be vlogging.
But now you're not. You're just me.
I didn't ask for your input.
Now you got it, so what the heck is it now? Just get over it.
Disrespectful tell. We were just at the pool and I didn't vlog, but I'll put in my pictures in a second. You know, he had to get his camera time.
No.
I don't know if I wanna take pictures in the skirt. The skirt is a whole setup. But that's okay. We'll see if Quentin knows how to open the door.
Nope.
No. He didn't even try, he just said no. Here he is. Okay, look, here's the skirt. This would be a lot cuter if the waist, anyway, this would be a lot cuter if the waist was not like, look, if it was right here, it wouldn't matter that it was so cheapy because it would still be cute, but you know, it's a little bit too big. I don't know if I still like it. It's interesting. I might have to, I might get it sewn up a little bit, you know, like that. Wouldn't that be cute? It'll be a little short in the back though. Like, that's a little short. I don't know. I don't know what I have to do. It's like, you know. My hair looks a mess. I ended up wearing the outfit. Look at them getting into my car. Yeah, they started doing that with the extraness. Beep, beep, beep.